Wondering if we can be in both private and public cloud environments? Today, we will talk about how we can play in both fields known as hybrid cloud computing. This is the Cloud's Guru and prepare to learn more about the computing world. What is hybrid cloud computing? Hybrid cloud combines both private and public cloud environments to work together for running workloads and applications. Example of hybrid cloud computing. Consider a retail company that has a large on-premises data center managing an ERP or enterprise resource planning system, which handles inventory, supply chain, and financial data. As Acme Retail grows, it introduces a mobile application for customers to place orders, track deliveries, and receive personalized offers. This hybrid cloud setup gives Acme Retail the ability to seamlessly scale operations without disrupting business. An ERP consists of BFF, backend for frontend, handles front-end requests, core ERP functions, manages inventory, drivers, deliveries, etc. User registry manages human resources. Key benefits of hybrid cloud computing. First is scalability. Hybrid clouds provide nearly limitless scalability. Companies can scale their public cloud resources up or down based on demand, allowing them to avoid the upfront investment in hardware and the ongoing cost for maintaining underutilized infrastructure. Second, cost efficiency. Businesses can offload non-sensitive or less critical workloads to the public cloud, benefiting from lower operational costs while continuing to use private cloud infrastructure for critical functions. Third, security and compliance. Sensitive data and mission-critical workloads can remain in the private cloud where they are protected by internal security policies and dedicated infrastructure. Fourth, interoperability. Hybrid cloud solutions facilitate seamlessly interaction between public and private environments. In conclusion, hybrid cloud computing offers a balanced approach for companies looking to achieve flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, while maintaining control over critical data and workloads. By integrating private and public cloud infrastructures, businesses can tailor their IT solutions to meet evolving business demands, making hybrid cloud a popular choice across various industries. I hope this session has been enlightening. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing. See you in the next one.